Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Here we are at Super Boss number 6, guys. This is Houndoom. We're switching to a Pokemon we caught from this island. We're moving or switching to this Corsola Earth Power. Ground move plus give you, and one more which I don't know what I will give you, but I'll give you the snappy probably, and give you some random summon gears, probably this first impression gear to make things easier, and switch. Battle. Super Boss number 6, Charizard C, take 2, guys. And that was fast. Boom. Super Boss number 6 did. And there you have it, guys. We're moving on quickly, speedily on to Super Boss number 7 of Charizard C. Is this a Litleo? No, Litleo is the small one, right? Or was it not? I forgot. Let's check. Pyroar! Oh yes, Litleo is the small one. Pyroar is the large one. The evolved one. This is a female Pyroar. And you're dead. The male one has a full mane all over his head, circular or star shape or whatever shape that is. And there you have it, guys. We're moving on quickly. Super Boss number 8 is a legendary. What the heck? This is an Entei. Entei. Earth Power. Good. Let's battle. Battle. Quickly. Dead. And that's it. That's it, guys. Dead. Super Boss number 9 coming up. Is this a Skiploom? Okay. Skiploom is not exactly weak to my current equipment. We're gonna switching to this Rampardos, giving him a rock move plus pretty weak. And Lubber. Giving him an outrage gear. And switch. Battle. Super Boss number 9, guys. Skiploom. Boom. Kill. And there you have it. Very quickly finishing these stages. Last Super Boss of this video. is a Gloom. Kind of regret equipping with this Rampardos now. Let's just switch summon gears, guys. Let's just switch to Hurricane. Make things simpler for both of us. For all of us. Battle. Let's just charge up Lugia and kill him with Lugia. Kill now. Kill. There you have it. Super boss number 10, guys. Done. Defeated. Won. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys with the next super boss in the next video.